Dudes are back. I know it's windy today. We're gonna make a quick video. Got my buddy Cannon with me. Cannon's got one goal. What's the goal, buddy?
I want to catch a fish so I can use my new pliers.
He got some Easter fishing pliers, so we're gonna go catch a fish really quick. Got to use the new pliers. Sorry about the wind, but guess what? We're going. Let's do it. All right, it's a dude cruise. Come on, let's find some bass. Got my buddy back there. He's paddling out. I'm gonna go simple. Stick bait, X-Zone. We're going Neko style. Cannon, I know, has a he has a muscleback finesse on a Ned. Some fish on beds. We're gonna fish around the shallows for a minute, but we're gonna work, I don't know, 10 feet of water as well, because we know a lot of those bigger females are kind of hanging out. They haven't moved up into the beds yet. Simple stick bait. No weight. That's all we need right there. First fish gets $1, right? Yeah. Come on, you on? All right, $1 first fish. Now there's some pressure. Things just got serious. Nothing. This one doesn't count. This one doesn't count. It's too small. But I knew he had to live over there by the bushes. Birdie. 0-0. Looks like I have one. Right off the shoreline. It's a good one. This one might even count. I don't know. We don't want to get ahead of ourselves. It's not on the boat yet. Look at that. True center stick. Right there. Right in the lip. It's like textbook. That guy. That's too small. Still 0-0.
You sure?
You're in it. Yeah, I gotta go over like 3 or 4 pounds. You just gotta get a fish. Look at him go. Let's do a wheelie. Do it. Yeah. Love the wheelie. I don't know. My bait. It's been my magic bait during this little pre-spawn spawn phase. Oh, I'm ready. This is a fish. This is feeling fishy. Ooh, that's good. Ooh, that's good. I'm feeling it. Just for fun. There's just something that I like to do for fun when you did not. You get it? Huh? You did. He calls it.
Did I just do it?
He called it. It's feeling fishy. How is it? Pretty good?
It's good.
Not bad, huh? Oh, don't you lose that one. You want me to net it?
Probably.
I'll help you out on this one, since that's for the $1. Bring it up here, turn it, try to spin it back. Come here, buddy. Gotcha.
You got it?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to use my new pliers.
You all about the pliers.
Yeah, that's
Even though it'll pop right out.
That's the only reason why I have it.
Yeah. We're out here for the pliers. Yeah, don't use your fingers. This is for the pliers. Look at that. Twisting it. I'm getting this on film so you can always remember your first plier removal.
First plier? Well, I'm not the best at it, so.
That's right. That one's kind of, it was kind of cool because it got it in its lip and then it came back out. Kind of double hooked it. Working on him?
That's right.
That's right. You're doing good. Now grab that bend of the hook right there and then pop it right out. See?
I did it!
Yes. Hey, $1. High five. It's a good fish.
$2.
That's right. Oh, nice fish. Right back behind the splash. I was going to throw a little buzzbait. Maybe we should take a picture of that one. Oh, here, let me just get a good shot on the old GoPro. You tell me to let go. Nice, dude. How about you let her go?
High five, buddy.
Trademark high five release.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. Got a couple bucks. Dad's losing money. Let's find one or two more.
Okay.
We got a dinker. We got a dinker. Look at it running. It's mad. This fish is so mad. Relax. This fish has a wide tail. It creates some serious speed. All right, we got some stuff going on in this fish. First of all, somebody else's robo worm. Yeah, you're welcome, buddy. See that? Playing doctor.
You need some nice pliers?
Oh no, I need some pliers. No, I got my pliers over here. I even got them right here. We like to do little commercials for people. Got my pliers on my Rogue fishing tether right here. But thanks for the offer.
Okay.
Little guy, little torp was crazy. That big old white tail. This fish is gonna be a big fish someday. Look at that. Yeah, see you, buddy. Liked his attitude. That didn't count either. So the score officially is Cannon 1, Dad 0. Always like to check your lines. You don't want to break off. Guess what? Guess what? Little something? Little something? Let's see what she's got.
You might have stole the fish that I found.
Let it jump. What do we got? We got any size to it? Come on.
Guys,
Well, it's got a good head shake. It's got a good head shake. This might be my first fish of the day.
it's the net.
No, we'll thumb it. It's got solid head shake. Oh, look at her just see the boat and just turn. Look at it. Look at her. Solid head shake. Come here, buddy. No big deal. Relax. Just come here. Just want to say hi for just a minute. All right, I'm claiming this one. That's what we wanted to see. Waiting all day for that.
Wow, that's a good one.
It's a pretty fish, huh? Just picking up the worm right there. Big fat belly. That's beautiful. All right, I'm happy. I got my fish. Thank you, X-Zone. X-Zone lures, I'm telling you. Made a switch to them, and I've just been finding fish like crazy. See you, dude. All right, back to where we started in the driveway, the in-truck wrap-up. Fishing today with my buddy Cannon. How was it?
Really fun.
It was awesome, huh? So you had one goal. What was the goal?
To catch one fish and use my new pliers.
Okay, so he got some new pliers. He got his fish on the Ned rig using the X-Zone. What were you using?
I was using a crawdad with a
Little Ned rig.
Ned
head.
rig.
Yeah, Ned rig head. So he's got the X-Zone. It was the Muscleback Finesse. Small little crawdad pattern, working great, bouncing it. I was just using a center stick, the true center stick. I think it's the 5-inch, and just had it Neko weighted with a little nose weight. So you got $2. One, first official fish.
First
My little ones
official.
didn't count. They didn't matter. And then you had another one. We saw a tree, right? What
Yeah.
happened over by the tree?
You said that if there's no fish next to this tree, I'll give you $1.
So can you make change for 10?
Yeah.
All right, so got to pay your debts. If you bet when you're fishing with your buddies, your homies, whoever it is, pay your debts. So $2, Cannon 1 today. Nice job. All right, we'll do it again sometime.
Yeah.
Thanks, buddy. A good time. All right, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you can, and keep casting, friends. Catch you next time.